In this video, we will see the secret code to test the screen of our Samsung tablet. Now to do this, first of all, just open the dialer app on your tablet. Now there are two codes to test the screen of our Samsung tablet. Just try both of them and check which one works with your Samsung tablet. Now the first code is *#0*#. As you can see, this code does not work with our Samsung tablet, but it might work on your Samsung tablet. If this code works on your tablet, then you will enter into a different screen, and from there you can test the hardware of your tablet, including the screen. Just select the screen test from there. Now for the second code, just dial *#*88#*#*. As you can see, this code works on our Samsung tablet. Now to test the screen from this list, just select Touch Panel if you want to test the touch panel of the screen, and if you want to check for dead pixels, just select LCD, and if you want to check the backlighting of the LCD, just select Backlight. For an example, let's test the touch panel. For that, I will tap on Touch Panel. As you can see, this is how you can test the touch panel of your Samsung tablet. And these are the secret codes to test the screen of your Samsung tablet. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.